They were afraid. The angel was so nice and said,
Fear not.
Fear not means don't be afraid. And the angel told them,
I have good news for you. If you go to Bethlehem, find a new baby who's right in the Lord. Glory to God. Glory to God. Glory to God in the highest.
Then the shepherd said, I want to go see the baby. Let's go see the baby. The shepherds went to the stable and found Mary and Joseph and the baby Jesus, the Son of God. They were happy that baby Jesus was born, and they knelt down and prayed.
Boys, we're going to sing Silent Night.